Welcome back to another video. Today we are in Inverness and we're going to go up the North Coast 500 to John O Groats.
Part of it.
Well, part of it.
We're doing the North Coast 250.
Yeah, we're doing part of it today. We're actually going all the way to John O Groats and back to Inverness. We have an amazing accommodation right now, and well, we'll show you that later. It's got a hot tub and everything. But we're going to show you John O Groats in the winter. Hopefully, it's pretty snowy out there right now. It is. It was -5 yesterday. Apparently,
-7 at points.
-7 getting up here. But we're hopefully going to show you some amazing sights that you can see in Scotland. I've got my drone with me. I've got my Holly with me. She's happy to be with me, like always. And we're going to show you some amazing things that you can see and do on the North Coast 500. Well, part of it. We've just left Inverness and it's already really scenic out. I've just flown my drone around and got some amazing shots, which I'm about to show you right now. Check out these amazing shots of this area.
I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did.
Eyes on the road.
So we just stopped off at the Glenmorangie or however people want to pronounce it. I would have found out how they pronounced it if the gift shop was open or the distillery was opened, and it's currently not. It's only open Monday to Friday, which is a bit of a pain. But here you go, guys. This is what it looks like. If you guys are whiskey drinkers, you'll probably know this whiskey because it's one of the most popular, one of the most popular Scottish whiskies. Not saying it's the best, but it's definitely one of the most popular ones. If it was the best, it probably had a distillery open on there.
Yeah, if you would ask someone a whiskey, they'd be like, oh,
yeah,
Glenfiddich, Glenmorangie.
This is like if we were promoting whiskey to someone, this is our standard one. Yeah. Like, you don't know what people drink, this is our just go-to. It's an easy one. Anyway, guys, we're going to carry on the North Coast 500 now. Absolutely beautiful here. There's a speed camera here, and I want to know, the question is, can my drone break the speed limit? It's 60 miles an hour here, and I think my drone can't do that. But let's fly my drone and have a little look around the area, still we? Now in, where are we?
Golspie.
Golspie? Oh, look at my lovely face. You don't get to see my lovely face often. I just thought...
They're nothing compared to the waves in Iceland though.
Oh, my camera's going to die. So there you go, guys. This is Golspie and my...
Golspie is Golspie.
Golspie, huh. Anyway, there you go. There's the wonky view of this. Just crack your neck a little bit, you'll see it perfectly. Oh, there we go. There you go, guys. There's the lovely view of this. Just before my camera dies. So we're here at Dunrobin Castle.
Dunrobin.
It's actually really beautiful. It looks like
it looks like it belongs in a film.
Yeah. Well, probably is in a film. If you know what films it is in, guys, hit us up, because I imagine it is backdrop in a film or something. Looks very
modern, but in a way.
Yeah, very princess fairy tale sort of thing. Probably in Highlander, probably. It's quite cool around here. I'm going to quickly try and fly my drone over the top of it, because why not? It's a very...
Dunrobin is the most northerly of Scotland's great houses and the largest in the Northern Highlands with 189 rooms.
What? 189 rooms? One of them hasn't even got windows by the looks of it.
Like from the front.
Wow, 189 rooms. Right, and let's show you...
It's the house of Clan Sutherland, so...
Alright, let's show you what it looks like from above.
At the end of the road.
A welcome at the end.
And there's hee-haw here.
There's a what?
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw?
There's hee-haw here.
Oh, there's
Nothing.
nothing. Oh, that's cool.
The camera's really squinty and not focusing, so it might not got that.
Ah. Don't worry, I'm already a professional YouTuber now.
It's also because that's bogging.
Oh, don't worry guys, I will translate it for you guys later. Like, bogging, hee-haw.
Hee-haw is just like nothing. Boggin's manky. Bowfin.
Dirty.
Manky. Bowfin. Boggin. Mock it. There you go, there's a good word for you.
What's that?
Mock it is like, it's absolutely filthy. It's mock it. Like if you came in as you were a kid out playing and you came in with mud on you, you'd be mock it.
So there you go guys, we are at John O Groats. This is kind of like their tourist information part. We're going to have a look at the tourist information. We're going to go to the toilet because that looks like a fun thing to do. And then we're going to go to the coffee shop at the back over there. That looks pretty cool because I want a coffee. First, it is £3 for parking. So, you know, going in the tourist shop?
What?
Tourist shop.
What?
Tourist shop.
The famous sign?
Ah, the famous sign. Alright, okay.
I was taking you to the cold stuff outside first, and
then we're going to warm up. Okay. And we're going to get a selfie together, are we?
I mean, insert now all the awkward faces that Sean has most definitely pulled whilst trying to take this photo.
It is pretty cold up here, guys, I'm not going to lie. What? Oh yeah, that's right. Sticker board, please stick. Stickers. Not on the light. I love the fact they always put that on. You can mark your stickers. That's fine. The earth is flat. No, it's not. Wow, look how many stickers are on this. You can see your sticker. Leave a comment below. Oh, here you go. That's Orkney over there, and you can kind of see Shetland as well. It's in the distance, that's cool. But here's the famous sign. John O Groats, Edinburgh, Land's End, New York. Ah, it's cold.
No, it's cold. It's cold not coming from the sea, it's coming from this way.
Right. Selfie, might have to get a bit forward. You cold? I can hear your teeth from. Yeah. I left my drone in the car.
Yeah, if you're barely staying upright, your drone would end up in Shetland.
That is true. There will be no drone flying at this location. It is so windy. Here's some colourful houses. I'm not going to get any closer.
Scan you there.
Scan. Please translate for people. Pants.
Pull your drawers down.
Pull my drawers down. Oh, there you are. Oh, the wind's gone. Oh, it's not as cold without the wind. Oh, it's lovely here though. So we went through Wick earlier, and Wick's quite funny because you just like, you're going down these old country roads, and then you just turn off this massive like B&M, Argos.
Pets at home, drug, farm foods, all this.
And you're like, what's going on? We're going to show you around a couple of the places around like, gift shop wise here, and then we're going to head to back home. Well, I say not back home. We're going to head back to the hot tub, and we're going to show you some cool things around there. Anyway, let's quickly show you some of the places around here. Oh, it's cold.
T-shirts. That's a cool one. John O Groats motorcycle.
Oh, actually, I think I might get one. Send it down to Rob.
It'd be an extra large.
Extra large, yeah, dark one. He'd like that, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
So to update you guys on what's happening right now, we are down a country road. Literally, the sat nav's taken us to here to.
Actually, it told us about 5 minutes ago we were here.
Yeah. Tell them where we're going.
We're trying to see the Duncansby Stacks, I think it's called. Or Dad said that the sign isn't actually the most northerly point. Duncansby Head is. Well, good job, Gilbert. We're currently driving through a livestock area. So there's sheep, just, you know, free roaming, living their lives, and Sean's driving. So
Yeah.
I don't make this out alive. You know why? Just remember, you said yes. Yeah. Apparently we're here. According to the phone, we're here. Don't think so somehow. I can see a lighthouse. So. Oh, fuck.
So this is technically the most northerly point of Scotland, even more northerly than John O Groats. As you can tell, it's very windy up here, and we're at a lighthouse. I'm not going to fly a drone, and this is kind of it. Told him.
No, I haven't told them that we're heading back towards the hot tub.
And if you find anything cool,
And then Sean will yell at me when I'm probably enjoying my chocolate bar or like a packet of crisps or on my phone, minding my own business. He'll be like, get the camera out!
anyway, we'll see you in a second.
Hold on, it's a bit windy. Sean's farting again. One day he'll take his lactose intolerance seriously. So we're just driving down the road and I'm like, it's a bit strange that they, you know, told us we were here when we were nowhere near the Duncansby Stacks. And then I looked out the window. And as you can see, they're right there. Oh yeah, that's the Duncansby Stacks, guys. Congratulations, you've not travelled Scotland, you've just sat on your arse on a couch, watched a video. But you can feel like you have, so there you go.
Guys, update for you. This is the decline of the 10% gradient. This is before the climb of the 10% gradient. Let's see how my car does for that. Reduce speed now. No, I need to have my speed, otherwise I'm not getting up the hill.
I said that maybe we'll just use physics. If you just go really fast down the hill, then hopefully you get almost at least halfway up the Berrydale.
It's the last known location. Berrydale. 13%. There we are. This is it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, don't worry about Sean's. I love the fact the camera's just not giving up as much as the car has. What is going on? I don't know. Can you? There we go. Is this sorting itself out?
No. Well, that's fine.
Right, 30%. Let's go.
You're up to 13%.
No, I'm not.
There you are. Kinda.
Kinda. Yeah. Come on! A second. This needs the moment. Come on! Come on! Come on! You can do it!
If you can hear the noises, oh, the smell of the car.
Oh. It's gonna be a massive dent on my roof.
Oh, it stinks.
Oh. Woohoo! I think that's 1 out of 3.
That took us 3 minutes to get down and back up.
Spinning the camera and everything. The camera went wild. Is the camera now nice?
Yeah. It seems to be once you spin out the handle and put it back on, it's absolutely dandy.
That's what you was doing?
Yeah.
That was our view of our accommodation. It was really nice, wasn't it? Obviously we didn't get too much of the accommodation. We just wanted to spend some time without the camera on. Isn't that right, Holly? You love it when the camera's on, don't you?
Yeah, somewhat.
A little bit.
You are out
of order. So the accommodation was really nice. We the hot tub took forever to heat up though. I mean, it took us 6 hours to heat up the hot tub, and it
only started working when I done it.
And it was like 20 odd degrees when we got in it. It was freezing cold.
It wasn't 20 degrees, it was 30 degrees.
It was 30 degrees. It wasn't exactly a hot tub though, was it?
No.
No, but anyway, it was lovely.
It also was cold outside, so it was going to take longer.
Yeah.
And blah, 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 blah.
But it was a lovely accommodation, really nice bed. The quality of the stuff was there was really good. Highly recommend it. But right now we are in Inverness Eastgate Shopping Centre. Car park anyway.
We've been here before.
We've been here before, and we're just going to have a little look around Inverness and show you around Inverness before I say goodbye to you guys. Can you get off my belly button? So we're going to go check out the bakehouse just across the road. Do you want to try and pronounce that?
I think it's Zoko or Zobo. I'm not sure.
Zogo, but it's a bakehouse and coffee bar. It's just over there. We'll let you know what it's like. Right, so that is us in Inverness. Very short little look at Inverness. Showed you a really cool coffee shop. That's mainly it. But if you want to see more of Inverness, there's a video already on our playlist. We did a road trip. Where did we do the road trip last time around here?
We went to Rothus and then done the north thingy coast.
We'd been around Inverness before a little bit more. So hope you enjoyed this road trip and you saw a bit of the North Coast 500 and you enjoyed it. We are now off to Aviemore and going to have a look at the Green Lock. Isn't that right, Ali?
Yes.
She's looking at all the clan tags. So that will be us. If you guys want to follow us again next week, hopefully we'll be showing you the Green Lock if the weather is good and the walk is good because it's a bit of a random walk. So we will see you again soon.